Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave YouTube channel. Today is December the 14th, and the chart of the day today is the Dow Futures 60 minutes time frame here. Now we can see right here we actually have broken to new all-time high. If we take a look here on the weekly time frame, right, we've been breaking to new all-time high, so there's no reason to be bearish at all with the indices, right? We continue to make a higher low ever since forever, right? Ever since forever, higher low. So again, a lot of people trying to pick the top since 2008, 2010, 2012, 2015, and so on. They will continue to get wrong every single time, right? So again, there's no point of trying to pick a top in a bullish trend. It's basically our mantra, right? Our view is very simple. Here we break to new all-time high again, which is the right direction that we've been always telling our members, which is bullish. And okay, so going back to the 1 hour, this one you can see we are still within wave 3 of 3. So any pullback is going to find support 3711 swing here, right? So basically in this kind of structure here, there's really nothing you can do trying to pick the top, trying to pick the bottom every single time. All we can do here is we know the trend and you just wait for a clear trace pullback, a clear and decent trace pullback. Then we can look to find the tips for intraday trade on the upside. That's all we can do, technically speaking, right? Not necessarily, oh, it has to go down right now because the chart showing it has to go down from 37,570. Oh, we need to go down to exactly 37,445 and then go up. That's not the whole point. So the whole point is that we know for sure the trend is bullish. So and then it is reasonable to expect this is, for example, this is 1 2 3 and soon it's going to pull back. So that's kind of like using some sort of reasonable thinking about it, right? Not necessarily, oh, it has to drop it from here because the chart shows it has to drop, right? But it is more like, okay, because it seems to be already 3 swings and already reaching a potential pullback time, then it should be, we need to be a bit careful to chase or to buy the market price right now, for example, and have to wait for a pullback first before we can buy. Now in here, if we take a look at the Dow, the 4-hour time frame, right? So we got this move up here. So we have from here we got this 1 2 1 2. So it looks to me like a nest, to be honest, from here, right? So if you consider this to be 1 2 and this another 1 2, then if you do this extension, you notice we are already at the 100% extension area of this one here, right? So that technically means that you need to consider the different degree, small degree, medium degree, higher degree. The trend is bullish, there's no doubt. But for example, if we consider the medium degree, that means at some point this 1 2 3 is going to end at some point. Now I'm not saying it has to end now. It can still extend higher before ending the medium degree, but at some point this cycle is going to end, and then you're going to get a wave for pullback which is similar in nature to this. So that will be a medium pullback, right? A medium pullback is, of course, if you buy a medium pullback, it will be safer because it's a deeper pullback to buy compared to, oh, okay, I'm late to the party, let me chase this in every single small degree because it will keep extending, right? At some point that extension is going to end in the medium degree and we'll get a bigger pullback in the medium degree, but still within the bullish structure. Again, like I said, this looks like a nest 1 2 1 2. So I think it seems to me we can do something like a 5 ways up here to finish this 3 and then 4 and a 5, and it will continue to go higher like this. So if there's any pullback, it's very simple. We can just look to buy the dips in 3711. Question is, what kind of degree do you want to buy? Because the degree can always change, right? Meaning, what does it mean? Meaning maybe I'm showing you it's still extending higher in the shorter degree, but in the medium degree I might be wrong. This might be finished and then it might start to do the bigger pullback. That doesn't necessarily mean the direction is wrong. The direction is still bullish, but the degree can change, right? The degree can change. For now, there is no sign of topping out at all. We are actually still at the all-time high, so there's no point of trying to say, okay, this medium degree ended, we're gonna get a big pullback. No point. So we're gonna be opening up extension higher in the shorter cycle. And now from the practical point of view, I think what makes sense here is to buy at least with 4 in blue, not the with 4 in red, but at least with 4 in blue, or with 4 in black is even better. So a little bit of decent risk pullback before you consider buying the dips for the next leg higher. Okay, so we're gonna update this. If we have any opportunity, we're gonna mention it in the live trading room to see where we can buy, for example. And if you want to get more updates on the Dow or any other indices, stocks, Forex, commodities, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. See you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.